Today we're located in Stern Ranch. It's about 30 minutes south of Denver. This is a new construction build, company called New Home Co. And they have very affordable homes for your first-time home buyers. And we're about to walk into the plan too. It's about 599, 990, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath. So this is a home for people who love new construction. My name is Depot Phillips. If you don't know who I am, the new construction expert. I love to show new construction homes every week, let you know what's happening in the Denver real estate market. And if you're a person who's interested in new construction, moving to Denver, relocating to Denver, just leave a comment below. Be glad to show you one of these new construction homes. And let's take a look. And let me know in the comments what you like about this home. And also they're having some special finances, 2-1 buy down rates for you buyers who can't afford the rate right now. But let's take a look and let me know what are your thoughts.